Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable HD video calls on Messenger. Stick around till the end and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks. To get started, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. On the home screen, you'll see your list of chats. Open any chat, whether it's with one person or a group, where you want to use HD video during mobile data usage. Once you're in the chat, tap the video or audio call icon at the top of the screen to start a call. After the call connects, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. This will open additional options for your call. From the menu, select Call Settings to access advanced features. Here, look for the option labeled Mobile Data for HD video. Simply toggle the switch next to it to turn it on. That's it. From now on, your video calls on Messenger will stream in HD quality whenever you're using mobile data. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more handy guides, and check out the description for extra tools and apps to enhance your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.